Good morning, folks. I just took this 2016 Ram 1500 Laramie in on trade. It only has 71,771 miles. It does have Ram boxes, running boards, passive entry, leather seats, heated and vented. It has a moonroof, 8x4 with nav, Bluetooth and Sirius XM satellite radio with dual climate control, cruise control, our winter's power locks. Does have the step on the back to get into the bed, and a bed liner with a divider. It has the park sense on it, front and rear, with the active braking. It's a nice vehicle. It's been well taken care of. It'll make someone a great truck. Have a good day.